Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm at again back with one more Meesho haul, and this time I'm gonna show you guys kurtis. I've got a lot of kurtis and it's all very affordable, and you can wear this kurtis. Some of the kurtis are like function wear kurtis, some of them are very casual wear kurtis. So I hope you guys will like my content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. The first dress which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, and it's in pink color. Let me show you guys. It's a very basic, dress guys. Basic in the sense it's very casual dress, and this is how the dress looks like. I mean, I really like the prints on this dress, and in the front they have given this kind of lace finishing. It's not lace, yeah, in the sides it's like lace finishing, and here they have given embroidery work which looks really nice. And all over the dress you get the same prints, and behind also they have the same print. Let me show you the bottom. I really like the bottom as well. So you can see they have given like small flower prints all over the they have given like balloon sleeves to this pant. And yeah, it's really nice. There's no pockets for this. Let me show you the dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks like. Dupatta width is not good. I mean, length is fine, I feel. So yeah, this is how the dupatta looks like. They have given a similar prints on this as well. And let me tell you the price of this particular dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 567 rupees after discount. They have given like 22% discount on this. If you like this dress, you can definitely go for it. I really like this one. And they have mentioned like it's a cotton material. I don't think so. It's not cotton, guys. I'm not really sure what material is this. But definitely I think you can wear it during summer because the cloth is a bit thin. You don't feel hot in this for sure. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is also one of my favorite. Let me show you guys. This is how it looks like. Just look at the prints. It looks very trendy, and again it looks beautiful. And behind they have given this button. I got it in medium size. All the dresses I got it in medium size, guys. And this is how it looks like. This is like an A-line dress, and yeah, it looks really beautiful. You can also see in the try on video. And this dress material, let me see and tell you guys. And this is how the bottom looks like. They have given a very good elastic, and again there's no pockets for this. They have given same cloth for the bottom as well. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 624 rupees, and there is no discount on this dress. It's a rayon fabric. If you like rayon fabric, you can definitely go for it. And it's definitely summer appropriate. You can definitely wear it during summer. I really like this one, guys. It's a thumbs up from my end. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is also one of my favorite. It's in light cream color. Let me show you the dress. This is how the dress looks like. I mean, just look at the finishing of this dress, guys. It looks very classy, and I got it in medium size, as you guys can see. And the bottom they have given this kind of finishing. It looks really premium. I mean, it looks really rich. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. I really like the embroidery work in the front. You can also see in the try on video. I hope you guys can see. It's difficult to show it like this, guys. And also they have given this kind of finishing in the sleeves. And this is the bottom, guys. One drawback about this particular dress is the pant doesn't fit me, guys, because it's very tight. If you have a pear-shaped body, it will not fit you for sure. And I got it in medium size. It is not fitting me, guys. This is like a narrow fit pant. It's bit, I mean, it is fitting me, but it's very tight. I somehow managed to put this pant. And let me show you the dupatta. And this is how the dupatta looks like. I really like the finishing of the dupatta, and they have given a embroidery work in between. Dupatta looks really decent. I really liked it. And okay, the price of this particular dress is 1074 rupees, but unfortunately pant is bit tight. You can go for one size bigger, and if the top is little loose, you can get it altered. So that's the only option left. But nonetheless, the dress looks really classy. You can wear this to functions, or you can wear it to festivals. It looks really nice. The color itself is very classy, guys. I really liked it. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is a very basic dress. This is like a kurta set. Again, it doesn't have a dupatta. It's just a top and bottom, and this is how the dress looks like. They have given a v-neck, and I got it in medium size. You can see this is like a 3/4 sleeves. I really like the prints on this dress, guys. It looks very nice. The color combination is really nice. So you can also see in the try on video, because it's quite difficult to show you guys just holding it like this. So the pant fits really well, and there is also a pocket, I guess. Okay, there's no pocket for this, guys. They have given like a narrow fit pant. It looks really nice. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 545 rupees, and it is in rayon fabric. If you like this kind of material, you can definitely go for it. And rayon fabric is very comfortable, guys. You can definitely wear it during summer. It's very soothing on the skin. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is in a purple or blue color, and this is how the dress looks like. Very beautiful dress, guys. And behind you get this tying thing. So yeah, this is how the dress looks like. It has a slit in between, and it's like quite long dress, and there is a bottom for that. This is how the bottom looks like. It's quite plain. There's no design on it. So it's like a narrow fit pant. And there is also a dupatta for this. You can wear it without dupatta also. It looks really nice. And dupatta width is little less, length is still okay. See, you can see, right? The width is very short, and length is fine. You can manage. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 644 rupees, and there is no discount on this. There are like two colors, one more in this pink color. So they have like two colors. You can go for any of these colors, and it is in a georgette material. If you like this kind of dresses, you can definitely go for it, and it looks really nice, guys. You can also see in the try on video. I really like this dress, and the color is very vibrant. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys, let me open it. This one, this is such a beautiful dress. This is how the dress looks like, guys. It's such a beautiful dress, and just look at the finishing in the front. They have given a beautiful embroidery work in the front. I got it in medium size. Oh, they have given me in large size. I don't know why. I did not order in large size, but anyway, this fits perfectly to me. And inside they have given this lining also. And I think you might feel little hot in this during summer, because there's a lining also inside. But nonetheless, this dress looks very nice, guys. And even the pant fitting is perfect. I mean, it's like on point. So yeah, this is how the pant looks like. They have given a good elastic, and the cloth material is very soft, guys. It's like butter. I think it's a silk blend, I guess. Let me check and I'll tell you guys. So this is how it looks like, and there's also a dupatta for this. You can wear this dress to function, I think, because it's quite, it's little bit grand. And this is how the dupatta looks like. See, I really like the dupatta, guys. It looks beautiful. For some reason, it looks like sari to me. Of this particular dress is 1261 rupees, and there is no discount on this. But the quality of this dress is very nice, guys. Let me tell you the material quality. Okay, they have mentioned it as silk. As I told you guys, it's very comfortable. It's like very soft on the body. Definitely I would recommend this particular dress to you guys, and there is no other color in this. There is only one color. If you like this dress, you can definitely go for it, guys. It's a thumbs up from my end. So guys, I received one more dress from Meesho, so I just wanted to show you guys. And this is how the dress looks like. It's in what color is this? Dark purple color, I guess. And let me open it. So you guys might be knowing, like, I like purple color, and I'm not sure this is purple or what, but I like this color. It's like dark blue color. And yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. Sorry, I can't put a try on video because I'm heading outside. I can't make a try on video, but I'll put up a picture. You guys can see like how this one looks like. And behind you get this tying thing. You can tie it if it is loose. And it's a very transparent, dress in the bottom. Even a bottom for this. This is how the bottom looks like. They have given a good elastic, and there is no pockets for this. It's like a bell bottom style pant, so it's quite loose. And there is also a dupatta for this. Dupatta is quite plain. This is how the dupatta looks like. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 622 rupees. I think it's quite affordable, guys, because you can wear this dresses to functions, I feel, because the color is very vibrant. I really like this color. Let me see if I can make a try on video of it. But I really like this dress, and everything looks, pretty good about this particular dress. If you guys like it, you can go ahead and buy it. I will put all the product links in the description box. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye-bye.